like services, and also some homebrewed batch jobs. And I'm happy to talk about the details of what we're trying to do in these places and the relationship we have with them offline. You can grab me. Okay, so I'll stop there. I'll take questions now. I think I've talked about 50 minutes. That's my plan. And so yeah, I'm happy to answer your questions. And then if you have any Spark-related questions, please direct them at Matei. He's the one the awesome one that's in charge of all that great stuff. Okay, thank you so much.
Sure. So your very first slide, you talked about having different applications that want to share the data center. So let's say I have, 5 JVMs that are already running in the data center, and I want to add 5 more that do some different workload and require one MySQL and one Oracle database and maybe a farm of Apache servers. Mm-hmm. Have you done any kind of benchmark using that kind of stuff? How Mesos, it's not clear to me how Mesos would help me in that kind of scenario.
Yeah, the ultimate goal is that it'll be able to run services that are exactly like the ones you're discussing. And we're experimenting with those types of things at Twitter. I'm working with them to experiment with running services that exactly look like this. I think there's a bunch of questions that need to get answered that are sort of the pertinent things that jump to most people's minds, which are you're going to be running multiple things on the same machine. Is that really a good idea? Because a lot of people are much more comfortable with the conservative notion of only a single service per machine. So in my experience, and this is